This is 28 Oxley Avenue. Land for sale on Russell Island, Queensland. It's a larger than average 650 metres squared block of land. Has been surveyed. I can provide the survey plan, which is very useful for when you are building. It is a very quiet area, just the one neighbour. It has been cleared and tidied up. Not too many trees, and so priced fairly reasonably at $59,500. There's the other survey peg. If you need to be picked up from the ferry to come and view, feel free to give me a call. I'm happy to do that. I'm based on the islands. Thanks very much.